Leaders from across the state are meeting virtually to discuss the issue of coronavirus and race. News 3's Adam Duxter was on that call, joins us now with the latest details. Adam?
Well, Eric, despite the African-American population making up just 6% of Wisconsin's total population, the demographic accounts for nearly a quarter of all the positive coronavirus tests so far. And today's state reps, doctors, and other state officials met on a call to take a closer look at that statistic. In Milwaukee County, the statistics of coronavirus and race are quickly gaining the attention of medical officials.
Milwaukee was actually one of the leaders in that because we reported our cases by race.
Out of 3,016 cases, 1,304 are linked to the African American community, which is nearly equal the next two racial demographics combined. Today, state leaders addressed those numbers in a teletown hall.
It's the lack of access to health care and affordable health care. You know, people don't always have a primary care physician. People don't always show up to a doctor if they're feeling sick because they don't know how they're going to pay for it.
Lisa Payton Kerr, founding CEO and president of Black Women's Wellness, says in Dane County the numbers aren't quite as drastic, but says prior to COVID-19, African American communities were more likely to be impacted by unemployment or underemployment, to be less insured than other Wisconsinites, and to be disproportionately represented among essential workers who are at higher risk.
And it really highlights a continuous pattern of disparity and inequality in the state of Wisconsin that is very alarming.
She says her organization is now pushing for more comprehensive testing and says this pandemic has allowed people to see the disparities firsthand.
This should be an opportunity and an opening for us as a state, as a county, as a region, to talk about how we will address health disparities and the economic disparities that drive them so that we can have a different narrative in the future.
As part of the Badger Bounce Back plan from Governor Evers, the state is trying to increase the amount of tests it can administer each day. Now, Lieutenant Governor Mandela Barnes saying on that call today, one of the lasting impacts this pandemic will have is trying to make sure everyone has access to health care.